So today I want to talk to you about enemies of the skin and things that you really shouldn't do or that are not good for your skin. So the air pollution and smog. Okay, so smog is there are a lot of toxins, toxins in smog. You can't breathe properly. And part of the reason you can't breathe properly is all of those toxins in there. And what those toxins do, those particles, they actually land on your skin. So they form a layer on your skin and they can actually penetrate your skin. So if you use the underground, for example, you find that around peak time, the air is so it's really bad. Okay, the air is so bad, it's smoky, it's not fresh. And if you notice what that means for your skin is that all those particles are actually on top of your skin, all that stays on your skin. So that's actually a very, very good idea to cleanse your skin, when you get home. Yeah, that's a very good idea to cleanse your skin when you get home, when you've just come in. And then also the drying effect as well of the environment, that also affects that also affects your skin.